Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change password in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for sign. Here you can see sign in options. Click on it. You can see here password. Simply click on password. And now click on change. Now type your current password. And click on next. Now you have to type your new password. And rewrite your new password. You have to confirm it. You have to give your password hint. And now click on next. And click on finish. So this is how you can change your laptop password. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.